In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Wix for the year 2025 using a few straightforward steps. Whether you're running an online store or offering services, having your Wix site smoothly interconnect with Square can make transactions seamless and efficient. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this integration. To start off, head over to make.com, which serves as our integration platform. This is where we'll be setting up the necessary flow to bridge Wix with Square. The first task in this setup is defining the trigger. Here, we'll set the Wix module as the trigger. Essentially, this means that anytime a new order is processed in your Wix store, it will kickstart the integration flow. Think of this process as the starting point where all of the behind-the-scenes magic begins. Once your trigger is successfully configured, the next step is all about defining the action. In our scenario, what we want is for Square to update its inventory based on the incoming order information from Wix. Therefore, you will set the Square module to carry out an action every time the Wix trigger is activated, such as updating the inventory according to the details of the new order. Now, after defining both the trigger and action, it's time to meticulously map out data fields between these two applications. This step is crucial for ensuring that the right information from Wix is sent over to Square correctly. For instance, you should ensure that the product SKU and quantity from Wix align accurately with the corresponding inventory fields in Square. Carefully mapping these fields guarantees that data flows smoothly and accurately. The final step in the integration process is testing and activating your scenario on make.com. Conducting a test run is essential to verify that the data transfer is functioning just as we expect it to. This usually involves creating a test order in your Wix store and monitoring how it reflects in your Square inventory. Once everything looks good and operates smoothly, you can go ahead and save your settings, activating the scenario to run automatically going forward. That's it! You've successfully integrated Square with Wix for seamless order management and inventory updates. With this setup, your business can now handle transactions more efficiently, syncing orders and inventory in real time. This kind of integration not only simplifies your workflow, but also helps maintain accurate stock levels and enhances overall operational functionality. Be sure to revisit make.com from time to time to ensure everything is running smoothly and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for following along, and happy selling!